morning, everyone. This is Amit Prabhari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. Last week was full of volatility and surprises. Dollar rupee pair made a high of 76.30, and a lot of people were calling us and asking us two questions. First question, why did rupee weaken? और दूसरा क्वेश्चन था कि अभी ये 77 या 78 जाएगा कि नहीं. So in the first part of the presentation, we'll be covering why rupee weakened to 76.30 level, and second part of the presentation will be answering the most important question which has been asked by a lot of people to us कि अभी ये 77 78 जाएगा कि नहीं. So let us start with the first part of the presentation, that why did dollar rupee pair weaken. उसके तीन मेजर रीजन है. पहला, there has been a continuous selling by FIIs in the secondary market. In the month of December till Friday, they have sold close to 17,000 crore. October से लेके December तक they have sold close to 35,000 crores. So there has been a continuous selling by them. Second reason है, market were expecting that in the Fed meeting they will be very hawkish and dollar index will move higher, because of which the emerging market currencies might weaken further. So there were no sellers in the market and only buyers were there. That was the second reason. Third reason, if you see our trade deficit data has been increasing from last 3 months. November का जो trade deficit data था, it came close to $23 billion. Generally ऐसा देखा गया है, जो trade deficit होता है, it comes little higher in October, November, December quarter because of festive season in India. So I think probably next quarter pe we will see some kind of smoothness in trade deficit number. These are the three main reasons why dollar rupee pair moved to 76.30 level. Now let us move to the second part of the presentation. कि dollar rupee pair 77 जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा. According to us, there is a 85 to 90% probability that before moving towards 77, the pair will have a correction towards 75.20 level. There are primarily two reasons for the same. पहला reason है, there is a correction or stability in crude oil price. Crude oil price had made a high of $86 per barrel and now currently trading at $71. Last 8 week के अंदर पे it has fallen by close to 3.5%. So I think in a near term, crude oil prices will not rise drastically because Biden government has been pressuring that crude oil price should be stable. So crude oil price में अगर stability रहेगा, so it will be positive for all net importing countries like India. Second reason, if you see close to 76.30 on Friday, it made a high 76.24 का high बनाया, and from the momentum, it is very clear that RBI has intervened on Friday and it has sold off. If RBI continues to intervene in the market in next coming days, then there can be some correction. So basically, it is very important to understand that in near term, dollar rupee pair will not move towards 77. We are seeing some correction towards 75 to 75.20 level. That has to be taken as an opportunity for exporter and importer to rebalance their portfolio. Now let us move to the third part of the presentation to understand what are the strategy for exporters and importers. So what is the ideal strategy for thin margin exporters? Thin margin exporters like agri exporter or chemical exporters, they must have taken costing close to 75.80 to 76 level. As in the near term, we are expecting some kind of correction in the dollar rupee pair. We will suggest them to cover 100% of their confirm order. Now let us move to thick margin exporters. Thick margin exporters like textile exporters or engineering exporters, they generally book 1 year forward contract. If you see currently, as the premium in the long term is higher and the dollar rupee pair has moved very sharply from 74 to 76.30. 1 year forward rate, they are getting 79.5 level. So we suggest them to cover for long-term forward contract, and on an annual basis, they can keep a hedge ratio of 50 to 55% of their entire year turnover. Now let us see what is the ideal strategy for importers. Importers generally have a tendency that they will not like to hedge their imports as they have to pay premium. If we suggest them to cover for 2 months or 3 months, they will not go and do that in the year 2022, because the overall trend of the dollar rupee pair is on the weaker side. Any dips close to 75.20 should be taken as an opportunity to cover their imports. We have been telling them to cover imports when dollar rupee pair was at 74 level. पर बहुतों ने किया, बहुतों ने नहीं किया. But I will request all importer clients not to get complacent saying that the currency will not get weakened. 2022 में currency will definitely weaken. So any dips has to be taken as an opportunity to buy import. With this, I will end my today's presentation. जय हिंद, नमस्कार, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.